Stop cramming two decorative fonts together. This mistake screams amateur and instantly kills readability. The fix? Pair a stylish font with a clean, readable one. One font adds personality, the other keeps your message clear. Your logo might be losing impact too, and the reason is simple. No breathing space. Every logo needs a safety zone. Clear space makes it feel premium, balanced, and professional. Colors aren't just decoration, they sell. Red sparks urgency, blue builds trust, green feels safe, and black communicates luxury. Choose colors based on emotion, not just what looks cool. Even the same content can look completely different with better design. Tight spacing, clashing fonts, and cluttered layouts turn your work from impressive to messy but thoughtful decisions. Spacing, fonts, and layout transform it instantly. And here's a myth designers still believe. More effects mean better design. Wrong. Simplicity wins every time. Clean, balanced designs communicate faster, look sharper, and attract attention. Use fast cuts, zooms, sound effects, and captions to make your work pop. Remember, design isn't magic. It's smart decisions, and mastering them will elevate your designs instantly. Follow for tips that actually level up your skills.